Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, indaba kaMackay noMusa. Guys, indaba yabo yaziwa yibo boyi-2, to be honest. Because I don't understand why uMusa is apologizing. In one of the things we're going to see in tonight's episode, we see uMusa apologizing, saying, "Uthi I'm sorry kakhulu, ngokuthatha umuntu kwaMadlala." Like Angithi Samke is from KwaMadlala, so he's saying he's sorry for that. And uMackay, guys, she's looking so serious, like she's not happy about whatever, or it looks like she's not happy about whatever uMusa's telling her. In a diary session, we see her saying, "Uthi it's pointless, like he's done it anyway." So I'm not so sure if she's responding to the fact that, like, saying Uthi it's pointless for uMusa to apologize now, to apologize for taking someone wasendaweni, whereas he has already taken her. But my question is, why would uThobile, out of all people, have a problem with that, you guys? That's why I'm like, indaba yaba boy-2 yaziwa yiwo, guys, because, like, yazi uMusa benoThobile, guys. It's like yes, they do have their own marriage. But for me, I would expect out of all of the wives for uThobile to be like not to react over the fact that uSamke is from around the area, because uThobile was from around the area. So, like, or is she finally getting what uMaxele kind of went through when she found out ukuthi uThobile was from endaweni? The embarrassment of your husband taking someone was like your neighbor, and someone who is young, like ingane. Do you understand? Is she finally getting it now? And that's the reason, maybe why. That's the reason why, like, she doesn't like that fact, or what really is going on, noThobile, guys? There's something that I feel like we are missing. But izovela, guys, because one thing about them, Selegos, Bible, guys, uzokayana somewhere, and then the truth is gonna come out. But I just don't get why uThobile would even have a problem with the fact that she's from there. She's from Mzumbe. And number two, why would she suddenly have a problem with number 5? Because uThobile was the one wife that was supporting this idea. I'm just like, guys, there is more to play that we are actually seeing. And I feel like the one person who is showing it, or who we can believe, is uMackay, because we've seen it throughout the seasons, guys. She's most of the times okay with everything. So for the fact that she's just jiggering out of the blue, guys, I don't think it's out of the blue. I feel like there's other hidden information that we don't know as the public that probably uThobile knows. Who knows? Maybe it's that she feels ukuthi I'm contributing financially already lana uzole to number 5, like uzomondla ngani, you know? Maybe it could be that factor. I don't know what other factor, because I'm just trying to think ukuthi, like, what's making uThobile not fine. And it looks like she doesn't have any interest of speaking out this thing, you guys. But anyway, uMusa uZlengele there, he's out there saying I'm sorry. Why could he not say I'm sorry uMayen when uMayen was saying ingane yasendaweni? You couldn't say that, but he's there with uThobile. uZlengele, he's busy saying he's sorry. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. Let's wait for tonight's episode and see how that unfolds. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next